Our top news this week. Panasonic just announced a brand new 4K professional camcorder. The new AG-CX350 supports 10-bit 4K 60p recording in the new efficient HEVC compression and features a brand new high-sensitivity 1-inch sensor. Hybrid log gamma or HLG for HDR capture is also included, while those filming events and long-form content can benefit from the dual SD card slots. The camera is also equipped with a 20x optical zoom lens as well as HDMI and SDI connectivity. The Panasonic CX350 is priced at around £3,400 and is expected to start shipping in February. Red have announced a brand new touchscreen on-camera monitor for their latest DSMC2 camera lineup. The new Red 7-inch ultra-brite monitor features a 1920 by 1200 Gorilla Glass bonded display with a maximum brightness of 2200 nits, making the monitor usable in bright exteriors. The new ultra-brite monitor uses a single LEMO cable for power and signal and is ideal for those using their Red cameras on gimbals or cranes. And last but not least, a quick reminder that I'm running a free workshop on the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 4K on January 30th here at Visual Impact in Teddington. The goal of this event is to provide those of you considering the camera or still waiting for it to get some hands-on experience. I will share my experience so far with the camera, as well as bring my Ronin S and my custom handheld rig so you can have a play with as well. Registration for the workshop is free and you can secure your place via the link below. I will also be at BSC Expo next week on February 1st and 2nd, so be sure to say hi if you see me or any Visual Impact rep on the show floor. That's it for this week. We'll be back next week with more news in 90 seconds.